Yo, what's going on YouTube? Back again. It's the Bratman. For all you that are new to the channel, like and subscribe. You can follow me also on Instagram at Bratman Official. So without further ado, here's the 1989 Kawasaki KDX in all of its glory. You can take a look at it now. It came together pretty nice. It looks good. I put some fresh paint on it. Small details, I didn't fully restore this bike. I just did a light, I wouldn't say a light restoration, but just a little spruce up on some things, some touch-ups here and there. But if you've seen my other videos, you guys would know what this bike looked like before. It looked pretty bad, but it actually looks really nice. I got the new seat cover on here, and I tried to keep everything period correct to 1989, so everything looks decent. It's got the correct seat on here, the correct graphics. I put the cool what do you call it, the neon grips on there, the green grips, just to match everything up. And I did the Polisport headlight, which looks really nice actually on this. I wasn't sure if I wanted to go with this light because it's not period correct to this bike, but it's hard to find parts for this bike. I could probably have found the original headlight housing, but they want an arm and a leg for those, so I went with this. And this actually, it looks great. It doesn't look bad at all. Here's this side of the bike. I did a little bit of a few plastics, fender, number plates, radiator shrouds, front fender. I put some money into this bike. I did a lot of small touches to it. It doesn't look bad. It looks decent. It has good tires on it. The only thing I got to do next is the fuel line. It needs a new fuel line because that just actually literally just broke on me a couple minutes ago. So we got the FMF silencer. I'm trying to think what else. Yeah, KPS did the suspension on this bike. Yeah, KPS. Trying to think what else we got done here. Touched up the the foot pegs and whatnot, all that stuff. Trying to think what else. It's got the FMF exhaust on it. It's painted black, so it looks pretty sharp. Yeah, it looks really nice. It came out really good. So yeah, this is just a quick update video to let you guys know what was going on with this bike. I had it kind of on the back burner for a little while, and I didn't get around to really finishing it up until now. Like I said, it's not a full restoration, but it's a nice example of a clean 1989 KDX Kawasaki, and I think it looks great. So I don't know if I'm going to sell this one or keep it. I'm not really sure yet. I'll probably sell it for a good price. Yeah, so stay tuned for more videos. I'll be back soon. Like and subscribe, and you can follow me on Instagram too at Bratman Official. And thanks for all the followers and subscribers and everything. It's been great. Be safe out there, and talk to you soon. Peace and hair grease.